I was reading about a longevity program by a high-end wellness center. For $20,000, you can spend 5 days getting tested, coached, and monitored on how to live longer and a healthier life. Most people don't have $20,000 to drop on a longevity retreat, so I've come up with 5 tips to get you started on your wellness journey. These are actionable steps that you can start immediately. And make sure to stay until the end of the video because I have a free gift for you. Number 1, prioritize sleep. Sleep consistency is often overlooked or put on the back burner completely. We should be trying to get 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep each night, and that's on weekdays as well as weekends. Create a relaxing atmosphere in your bedroom and establish a bedtime routine that helps you wind down. Poor sleep impacts so many aspects of our health, from cellular repair to cognitive function and hormone regulation. Number 2, follow a Mediterranean diet. Longevity research suggests that following a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds, while minimizing meats, processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. A rich Mediterranean-style eating plan provides essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that combat inflammation and oxidative stress, key drivers of age-related diseases. Number 3, move your body and add strength training. Exercise regularly and vary your routines. It's great to take walks for your cardiovascular health, but also add some strength training to preserve muscle mass and bone density. Work on flexibility for range of motion and balance exercises to prevent falls. Number 4, manage stress. Chronic stress can accelerate cellular aging and increase inflammation. Find healthy ways of dealing with stress. Some ideas are to spend time in nature, practice meditation, take up a hobby, read, play sports, or relax with friends. Try not to turn to junk food, alcohol, cigarettes, or spending too much time on your phone. Number 5, cultivate social connections. Spend time with family and friends, or join a community center, a book club, or find a group that has similar interests to you. Get out and be with people. Studies have shown that it can be as detrimental to your health as smoking. And of course, keep up with your regular medical appointments and talk to your doctor about longevity practices. They can help give you guidance specific to your needs. And now for your free gift. I've created a daily longevity checklist which you can download from the link in the description below. It will help guide your daily journey to longevity. As our lifespans increase, our health spans need to increase as well. We want to stay as healthy and independent as late into our years as possible. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you very soon.